Bryce, do you play Township? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to download a modded version which gives you unlimited money, no jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see, guys, look how much money I got. Let's get right into the video, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version onto your device. Super cool, guys, fully working and everything like that. I mean, this is pretty epic, and it is time that I'm going to present it to you and show you guys exactly how to download this onto your device. So let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you guys how to get this modded version, which is fully working, guys. And it is totally updated. Guys, so as you can see in the Township, I'm super rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So what we need to do first is go to the site, which is called Mods, and the site's got like all these apps and games and stuff like that. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in, what's it called, Township. And as you can see, guys, it says Township MOD, right? So just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, because it fully works. Now, if we go to the search bar and type in Township, as you can see, guys, it's super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to spend any money on this game. So as you can see, guys, we go in-app purchases, you can see right here. So if you want to get everything for free, just go to Mods. You're going to be all good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys, because it's super insane. So yeah, I'm playing like Township for a couple years now. I'm always getting sad because I have no money, but this one actually works, guys. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself. I mean, I've looked into lots of these modded Township versions and stuff like that, but this one actually works. So be sure to go in and get the word out about it. It's super cool, guys. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go and share it. It's super cool, and it's fully updated and everything like that. So all you gotta do is go to the Mods, and you're gonna be all set, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super awesome, fully working modded Township, guys. Pretty crazy if you ask me. And it doesn't require a jailbreak, doesn't require a computer. So that is super cool. So be sure to go and try it out for yourself. I'm gonna see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, because this is super insane, and it's actually working and everything like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys later. It's just super insane, guys, fully working. And yeah, it doesn't require any gay stuff like jailbreaks or any of that. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and peace out, gang.